So today in this class we will discuss zeros of a polynomial. Okay, this is very important and very and also it is continue in the next standard also. So zeros of a polynomial. Okay, so what is called as zeros of a polynomial? So the definition says the value of the variable at which the value of the polynomial becomes zero. What it? The values of the variable which the value of the polynomial becomes zero. Okay, we can understand this definition by explaining with this problem. Okay, so here p of x equal to x minus 2 is one of the polynomial. P of x is nothing but polynomial in x. What? Polynomial in x. It is short form. Okay, polynomial in x can be written as p of x. Okay, now I will put x equal to 0 here. Okay, p of 0 is equal to 0 minus 2. P of 0 is equal to minus 2. Now check the definition. The value of the variable is 0, at which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Here is there any 0? No. Here we can't get 0 by this example. So it is not a zeros of a polynomial. This value is not a zeros of the polynomial. Next one. P of x is equal to x minus 2. Now substitute x equal to 1. Okay, p of 1 is equal to 1 minus 2. Now the value p of 1 is equal to minus 1. What it? Just check the definition. The value of the variable. Now the value of the variable is 1, at which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. No, here also we are not getting 0. Therefore this value is also not as a zeros of a polynomial. Now I will put next variable value as a 2. So p of 2 is equal to 2 minus 2. P of 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. Now check the definition. The value of the variable is 2, at which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Now the polynomial value becomes 0 after substituting 2. Therefore this value x of 2 value becomes a zeros of the polynomial. Okay, I will explain one more example here. Now I will substitute the value of x equal to 0 here. P of 0 is equal to 0 minus 1. P of 0 is equal to minus 1. So the polynomial is here p of x equal to x minus 1. Now I put the value x equal to 0 here. After substituting the value of p of 0, we got the answer as minus 1. So the definition says the value of the variable at which the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Here also we are not getting 0. Therefore this value is not zeros of a polynomial. Okay. Now again we will substitute with one more value. Okay, x equal to 1. Now p of x is equal to x minus 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. P of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, the value of the variable is 1. After substituting variable 1, the polynomial becomes 0. The polynomial becomes 0. Then this value x equal to 1 value is known as zeros of the polynomial, and this equation is known as polynomial equation. This 0 of polynomial equation. What it? The next concept is zeros of a constant polynomial. Zeros of a constant polynomial. So consider constant polynomial as a 5. Okay, a constant polynomial, there only one number exists, that is constant. Okay, so we write it as p of x is equal to 5 into x raised to 0. Now it becomes an exact format. Now I will put a sub value here. P of 0 is equal to 5 into 0 raised to 0. So 0 raised to 0 is nothing but not defined. Okay, not defined. Okay, we can't get here 0 here for substituting 0 equal to 0. Okay, next problem, next example. Okay, means next variable I will put p of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 raised to 0. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Here also we are not getting 0. Therefore the zeros of the constant polynomial does not exist. zeros of the constant polynomial does not exist. Got it? Okay, next one. What is the zeros of zero polynomial? Okay, zero polynomial is the polynomial where only zero exists. Only zero exists. Okay, zero. Now we can write it in a standard form. P of x is equal to 0 into x raised to 0. Now substitute x equal to 0 here. P of 0, 0 into 0 is to 0. In previous problem I said, already I told 0 into 0 not defined. Here also we are not getting 0. Okay, so for a 0 value there is no 0 exist here. Okay, next I will substitute x equal to 1 here. P of 1, 0 into 1 raised to 0 is equal to 0 into 1 raised to 0 equal to 1. P of 1 equal to 0. For substituting the value of x equal to 1, we are getting 0 here. Next, x equal to 2. P of 2 is equal to 0 into 2 raised to 0. 0 into 2 raised to 0 equal to 1. Here also we are getting. Okay. So finally what we decided here means 0 of the polynomial exists, that is every real number is a 0 of the polynomial. Every real number is a 0 of a polynomial except 0.